AI-powered learning tools are changing how students experience online high school. But the goal is not to replace teachers. The goal is to help students learn with more support, more flexibility, and more confidence. At Canadian Virtual School, students can complete online OSSD courses in a digital learning environment. AI can support that experience by helping students review lessons, practice skills, and better understand where they need improvement. For some students, this means getting extra support with difficult concepts. For others, it means using adaptive learning tools that respond to their progress. A student who needs more practice can review targeted material. A student who is ready to move ahead can continue building momentum. This matters because every student learns differently. Some students need more time. Some need more repetition. Some need immediate feedback before they feel confident moving forward. AI-powered tools can help make online learning feel more personalized and responsive. They can also support better study habits. Students may use digital tools to create practice questions, review key ideas, organize learning, and prepare for assessments. For students working toward the Ontario Secondary School Diploma, this can make learning feel more manageable, but technology still needs human guidance. Students still need clear course expectations, academic structure, teacher feedback, and support from qualified educators. At Canadian Virtual School, AI-powered learning tools are part of a larger student-centered approach: flexible online learning, teacher support, personalized progress, and a pathway toward OSSD success. Read the full blog to learn how AI-powered learning tools are changing online high school education.